Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I am showing you guys how to use your Samsung Galaxy S22. Just some simple guides on how to use it if you are a first time Samsung Galaxy owner and so on. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm going to show you guys how to use the Samsung Galaxy S22. This is how it looks like. This is in the color pink. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's a great phone, and so on. So I'm just going to show you guys around the phone what you'll find. Obviously, this is where you put your charging cable. You have some where you put your SIM card, and then a speaker down there. And then if you look around, the cameras are in the back. There's definitely a camera at the front here. You can't really tell. And then on the side here, we have a power button and a volume button. Okay, so to turn on your phone, you're going to press this for a few seconds and it would turn on. My phone is already on, so all I have to do is press it once like that. And then we're gonna swipe up, just like that. So when I do not have a password on my phone right now, so if you had a password, obviously you would just swipe up and enter your password, passcode, but I don't. Okay, so first things that you need to know is when you come on, right when you turn on your phone, it will always bring you to this main page. You can customize this main page in many different ways just by holding down on certain things. You can move it around, you can add widgets and so on. I want to show you guys how to get to the rest of your apps. If you scroll from the bottom up, it will bring you to all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So that's really helpful. Whenever you need to go back, there are 3 different buttons here. If you press the circle, it brings you back to the home page. If you press the 3 buttons here, I'll show you your recent viewed apps. Okay, so these are the apps that I was viewing previously, right? And then you would go back home always by pressing the circle button. Okay, so there is also this back button. This will always bring you back from where you were. If I had pressed this and I press back, it will always bring me to the previous page that I was on. Okay, so that's really helpful. Up here, when you touch from the top and scroll down, it is your what's it called, settings, some quick settings over here and some notifications over here. If you press that directly, it brings you to settings. It had that settings icon, so that's really important to know. Okay, an easy way to get to your camera from a lock screen is when you do this. There's a little icon on the side here that's like a camera. I don't know if you guys can see that, but if you press that and slide it, you have your camera that is on. Okay, you'll have your camera that is on, and then you can obviously take your pictures. Okay, if you want to go back, always circle. One of the first things that a lot of people want to know is how to change their background, and I'll show you guys a really easy way to do this. Without, obviously you can go into settings, wallpaper, that's definitely one. I'll show you one way. You go under settings and you go under wallpaper, and then you can choose here to pick which background you want for your phone. Or another way to get there a little bit faster is if you press an empty space on your phone, not there, an empty area in your phone. This allows you to do customization and to add pages to your phone so that you can customize it the way that you want it. But at the bottom here it says Wallpaper and Style, and that's a quick way to get here to change up your background. And the cool thing is, right when you press that you want it for a certain background for your home screen or your lock screen, it also allows you to pick color palettes, which I thought was really cool. I've never seen that in another phone. It's pretty cool to have both, so you can pick that as well. Thank you so much, DBRIGHT Squad, for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, especially for those that are new to owning a Samsung Galaxy. I think this is very helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, DBRIGHT Squad.